Assalamualaikum. This is presentation for our mini project, which is setting up a virtual client server network environment. My name is ANISAH binti OSMAN from 2 BITZ S1G1. For task 1, which is configuring network setting, for server in network section, for adapter 1, I will choose NAT, and for adapter 2, I will choose internal network. For client in network, for adapter 1, I will choose internal network.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I am FATIMAH ZAHRA, Binti RAHAZANI from BITZ S1G1. So I will continue the presentation with task 2, which is configuring IP address. So in this task, firstly we go to the client and at terminal, I will insert sudo nano /etc /network/interfaces to config the IP address. Before config the IP address, I will provide a password, which is the password for client. And then I will insert the IP address for the client as we look at the screen, which is ITO and post3, iFace and post3, iNet static address 192.168.1.5, and then the netmask, network, and the broadcast. And then I will save and exit. After that, I will execute this command to refresh the setting, which is I use command sudo ip-link setdev and post3 down, and then sudo ip-link setdev and post3 up. And then after down and post3 down and up, sudo systemctl refresh network, restart network. Then I will check if the IP address is successfully configured, which is IP address show. So as we see, the IP address is successfully configured. Then we will go to the server. For the server, I will do the same step as we do at the client, which is firstly sudo nano /etc/network/interfaces to config the IP address, and then we provide the password and do the same thing, which is insert the IP address, network address, and netmask. After that, we will save and exit. We use the command sudo ip-link setdev and post3 down. For the server, we add on another command, which is sudo ip-link setdev and post8 down, and sudo ip-link setdev and post8 up, which is sudo systemctl restart networking to refresh the server. After that, we will check if the IP address are configured or not, which is show IP address. And as we see at the screen, the IP address has been configured.
For the last part, which is task 3, testing the connectivity between server and client. For testing the connectivity, I will ping 192.168.1.5 254, which is an IP address for server. The connectivity will be successful if there is packet transmitted, there is 0 packet loss, and 37 received. Thank you. That's all from us.